Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be trying diamond painting for the first time. So this is something that I always wanted to try because it would be a way to distress, relax after work, school, or just have fun. But the reason I decided to try this was that I saw my roommate at the time completing one of the famous Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. And I used to watch YouTubers in the past. I believe one of them was Bailey J. Complete one of her own artwork on diamond painting. So cool. Hopefully I can do that in the future one day. Anyways, so seeing her complete her painting really made me motivated and excited to try it. So I had many diamond paintings in my Amazon cart and it was really difficult to pick one. So I filmed this video back in April. Yep, that long ago. And my mom's birthday is in April. So I thought I would complete one and gift it to her. So if you're interested, you will see her reaction at the end of the video. As you just saw, I was unboxing a diamond painting starter kit because I travel from college to home a lot. So this little bag would be perfect just for little me to store my supplies. Or if I want to work on different areas of my dorm room, campus, house, I could just carry this little bag around and, travel with it, use it, all that good stuff. Also, I'm super clumsy, so I can see myself knocking these diamonds over all over the floor, and I did end up doing that with those little green trays. But also, I easily lose stuff easily, so having things in one place just makes it so much easier. So I'll get to the diamond painting and the process in a sec, but first I want to talk about this kit because I found this kit super helpful. It included so many items that were very helpful. The diamond painting itself only came with one tray, one single diamond placer, and one wax. So that, if I just used that, I would still be working on it as we speak in May. Probably wouldn't even finish it till next year. So these multi-placer styluses, pens, or whatever, I don't know what you call it. I don't know the correct terminology for it, but they are very helpful. It came with one big and one small tray. Actually, came with one big and two small trays, tweezers, plastic bags, a little fixing tool. I don't know what you call it, the little white thing you saw. Four pen grips, which I really like the pen grips. It made it so much easier to hold. Um, 10 wax squares. Actually came with six, I think. I'm not sure. But came with 3 sheets of labels, 4 pens with 2 sides on them, which is very helpful. And the case holds 60 storage containers for the kit. So without the kit, I don't think I would have finished this in 2 weeks that I had. So yes, very helpful. Highly recommend if you're just starting out, or even if you don't have one yet, I would highly recommend if you're interested in diamond painting. So now we can talk about the diamond painting. So the diamond painting itself is a 12 by 16 diamond painting. I believe that's the outside measurements. For the inside, I'm not really sure. I ended up cutting the border off anyways, so it doesn't really matter anyways. So it comes with 20 different colors, one pen, one square wax, and one tray. So I think, like I said earlier, without that, the kit, I would still be working on it in it's May. So yes, so I was gonna go into this blindly, but I decided to watch a few TikTok videos and a few YouTube videos, and they really actually helped me out a lot. They gave me a few tips. I didn't end up using the few tips. One of the tips was don't use a multiplayer if you're a beginner. Like, girl, what? I'm not about to sit here and place each one by one. That's gonna take forever. So even though I'm new at this, I found the multiplayer to be helpful, and it didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take to complete. Because I was really stressing out. I did not think I was going to finish this in 2 weeks. So now I want to talk a little bit about my what? Diamond painting process. So first thing I did was obviously unbox everything, duh. But then after that, I just put all the little diamonds into their little containers, so cute. And then I organized everything. I didn't really show that because I thought it would be boring. And then also, I did make a few TikToks of me doing that. If you don't know, I have a TikTok for my art. I don't know what else I was going to say. I don't know why I paused. So yeah, I am a little bit more active on here than or on there than I'm on here because YouTube videos take a little bit more time to make and TikTok videos don't really take that much time to make, at least not for me. I mean, at least for me. I am so sorry. I cannot talk today. Anyways, so yeah, link in the bio if you're interested. So I found when putting the diamonds to the little containers, I found the funnel to be very helpful. Side note, the funnel comes with folds because it's like a foldable funnel. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Anyways, so I kept on getting stuck. The diamonds kept on getting stuck in the side, like little folds in the funnel. But I shaked it, I squeezed it, and it's like, shimmered the wear down. And I didn't even realize that until later. So a few colors are mixed up, but not that much, just a few. So if you see like in the trays that there's like one color in there that's not supposed to be there, that is why. So, yes. Also, I found the labels to be very helpful when organizing. They are very cheaply made. It's giving me Dollar Tree vibes, Dollar Tree quality. So, yeah, but I think it's better that not to have them in the kit to not have them at all. So, anyways, when these labels run out, I know where to go. Dollar Tree to get some more labels. So, yes. Even though they're cheaply made, they're still very helpful. So throughout this whole process, I think the pen that I'm using like literally right now, wait, I was using that pen. But anyway, that resin pen, the one with like the marble details that I was using a few minutes ago. Yeah, well, I keep on switching back. Oh my gosh. That one. Well, okay. Well, you get the point. The one with that, oh my gosh, it keeps on going away. Anyways, you guys know the resin pen, that one. That one right there. Yeah, that one. Okay, so that one with the marble designs, I use that one like pretty much throughout the whole video, the process, the me completing the thing. Jesus Christ. So yeah, I use that one majority of the time. I did switch back and forth to the other one. So the pen, the one that's sitting on the ground right now, the one with the marble details, the resin pen. I don't know what you call it. I think it's called a resin pen. But the one that what am I trying to say? The one that, oh my god, the one that you can change out the nibs. That's what I'm trying to say. You can change out the nibs, which I found really helpful. I didn't really change out the nibs. I just used the different pens that was in the kit. But the ones that I had on there, I had the 3 multi-placer and I had the little slider thing. I preferred the slider thing that came with the kit. I didn't use the white one. I didn't like the white one because it was too thick. The clear one that I was using, I liked that one better. That's what I was trying to say. So like the little slider thing to make it the diamonds in a make them straight. Yeah, I like that a lot. So that was really helpful, especially with me being new at diamond paintings and using the multi-laser for the first time, and sometimes my diamonds are out of place. So yeah, I found that really helpful. Honestly, this is like so satisfying to watch. Like, look at this. So satisfying. So, you're probably wondering, well, do you like diamond painting or do you not? So, yes, I do like diamond painting. This will be my first time doing it. I really enjoyed myself. Yes, it's time consuming, but I mean, for me, all art is time consuming and it takes me days to complete one illustration, drawing, painting, whatever. So, yes, it's time consuming, but all art is time consuming if you think about it. So, I really enjoyed doing this. I'm actually completing another one as we speak from my grandmother. Her 70th, oh my gosh, 70th birthday is coming up. So I'm completing one for her. I'm not going to film that one because I literally just post this one, or I'm going to post it. So yeah, you won't be seeing that one, but I did order two more that you will be seeing, but not anytime soon. But maybe like a couple months from now. So yes, I like diamond painting, and you will be seeing diamond painting on this channel. So if you're not into that, then just skip over that videos or unsubscribe. I don't care. Um, so yes, I love diamond painting, and it was a very good experience. Key takeaways is try not to rush like I did. I did mine in like 2 weeks just for my mom's birthday. Um, but if I would have known and not make a rational decision, I would have ordered way ahead of time so I can like take my time. But I ended up finishing it, ended up looking good, and she ended up liking it. So, I am taking my time on the one I'm doing now, and yeah, it's just very fun, very relaxing. I really enjoy. I keep on saying the same thing, but I don't really know what else to say. It is time consuming. Okay, I just said that. Okay, that's all my thoughts right now. You know, honestly, this is what happens when you don't post in a while. You don't know how to act, and you don't know how to make YouTube videos anymore. This is why I keep messing up, honestly. I don't remember the last time I even made a voiceover, honestly. Why do I keep saying honestly? I don't know, honestly. Oh my gosh. I'm done. I'm out of here. Yeah, I'm gonna play some music. I'm done. There's some Mod Podge to seal it. The moment you guys have been waiting for. It's the reveal.
Man, that was so beautiful. So beautiful, Jada.
Whoa!
Did you make that Jada with dots or something?
Yeah, diamonds.
Oh, these are diamonds?
It's a diamond painting.
Oh, that is pretty, Jada. Look like you must have took a long time to do that.
Yeah, I did. So this is where my mom currently has a painting. It's in the kitchen. Yeah, it looks very nice there. I really like it. It looks really nice from afar and up close, so I'm really digging it. Yes, I made that. I made that. Yes, I made that. Well, of course, you just saw me make it. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.